Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of December 7th, 2010. The charts we use in this presentation are from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. In the bond market, boy, bonds have broken down hard for quite some time now and seem to be accelerating to the downside right now. We had the resistance that could have held or should have held perhaps is up here in the 125, 1920 area. They didn't even get there, and they've broken down really, really hard. The blue line where they sort of held on Tuesday is 122.24. They appear to be heading lower than that, though. About the only other calculation I can come up with down here is 121.28. Other than that, they could go lower. However, you have to look at how low the RSI has gotten here and how far down they've dropped from the high. You got to figure it's time for a bounce pretty soon here. I find it sort of ironic and humorous that they've had this major sell-off, which basically coincided with the Fed announcing they were going to buy treasuries. I mean, obviously the Fed wants to support the market, and the bond market's kind of like, oh yeah. Moving into stocks, very interesting here that there's been a lot of activity. Stocks have gone to new highs this week, and there's plenty of volume in the stock market, and yet they really haven't accomplished much, at least from this technical perspective. The target up here above price, which they have not reached, is a little over 1240, about 1242. And the support under price, that red line there, is around 1210, and they haven't gotten that low either. Uh, Not sure exactly what this means. However, all this volume and not really driving to new highs probably means that if they don't back off, they'll at least go sideways for a little while. And also those prices, 1242 and 1210, the December contract will only be front month through Wednesday, and then we move to the March contract, so you can kind of roughly adjust those down by about 5 points. The numbers will be slightly different in March. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable that you can get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us, and hope we'll see you later.